Then class 10 students, how are you? You are fine? I know you are absolutely fine because in the due to corona disease, everyone fine at you. Okay, so in these conditions, the learning platform is online. Our learning platform is online. So in the online platform mode, we are sending the works previously much more times, but now at times in this video class I want to discuss to frankly. Okay, so our topic in this computer, the first chapter, networking, revision on networking. Today is our topic. Okay, class 10 computer. Okay students, so let us start our beginning points. Our beginning points, a topic as well as the networking. Okay, so networking, one word is come, net. Net, full form, net it means network. Okay, so who is founder of network and when the network is come in the first time? Okay, because everything is come first time, firstly discovered by some pupils, and after that everyone uses this. So when you starting the chapter first networking, then first you just read the books of chapter first networking. So on there what you just see? You just see the first network. The first network is ARPANET, ARPANET. The first network name is ARPANET. And who is discovered this? This network is discovered by America. And which defense? Firstly use of that network in the defense. रक्षा के क्षेत्र में यूज किया जाता है. So the full form of ARPANET, it means Advanced Research Project, American Advanced Research Project Agency Network. जो अमेरिका की ये जो एजेंसी थी, उन्होंने अपने ही नाम पर, ठीक है, इस नेट की माध्यम से फर्स्ट टाइम में कम्युनिकेशन स्टार्ट किया था. ठीक है, एडवांस रिसर्च प्रोजेक्ट एजेंसी जो ये नेटवर्क है, NET नेटवर्क होता है. तो इसकी जो शुरुआत हुई थी, शुरुआत में वो लड़ाई के क्षेत्र में की गई थी. और जहां तक मुझे मालूम है, ठीक है, नेटवर्क के माध्यम से जो लैंग्वेज कम्युनिकेशन है वो कराया गया था. जहां अमेरिका का युद्ध हुआ था फ्रांस से, तो क्या है, अमेरिकन जो है फ्रांसीसी नहीं समझते थे, तो उन लोगों ने नेटवर्क यूज किया और उसमें ट्रांसलेटर का यूज करके उन लोगों की फ्रांस वाली लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश में कन्वर्ट की. ऐसा मत है, ठीक ना, हालांकि इस चीज पे क्लियर नहीं है. तो पहला नेटवर्क आपको बस ये ध्यान रखना है कि पहला नेटवर्क जो था वो ARPANET था. ठीक है, और इसकी शुरुआत जो है अमेरिका से हुई है. अब बात करते हैं कि जब ये ARPANET खोज लिया गया, ठीक है, उसके बाद से और भी चीजें खोजी गई. जैसे तुम लोगों ने सुना होगा, पीछे मैंने बताया भी होगा, WWW. ठीक है, ये क्या है, वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब. वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब का मतलब हो गया टिम बर्नर्स-ली साहब, टिम बर्नर्स-ली. इन्होंने ही जो है कि WWW वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब, ये जो होस्ट है, इसकी खोज की थी. इसको सर्वर भी कहते हैं क्योंकि इस पे तमाम प्रकार की वेबसाइटें और डाटा मौजूद हैं. तो फिलहाल अभी WWW नहीं पढ़ा जाएगा. स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट हमारा हो चुका है. ठीक है, स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट हो गया है नेटवर्क. ठीक है, अब बात आती है कि ये नेटवर्क क्यों यूज किए जाते हैं. Why we just use the network? Okay, so for network is using to sharing what files one to another. नेटवर्क के माध्यम से क्या किया जाता है, डाटा का नेटवर्क के माध्यम से डाटा का ट्रांसमिशन किया जाता है। डाटा का क्या किया जाता है? ट्रांसमिशन किया जाता है वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस, वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस। Maximum students are know this procedure, but this is for new students. Those are not know. Those are previously attend my 9th classes. They have to know what is the networking. Okay. So network now time very useful, and when they started on that way very useful, because it is a medium. Network is a medium where flow your data one to another systems. Suppose that what is the full form of internet? Full form. What is the use of internet? So internet uses various types. Okay. So how you just use that things? When network connected from one to another places, and when network connected from one to another places, then files is also moved from one to another. And when the files move from one to another, automatically that one things you just seen on your LCDs, those you just use. So starting topic is clear. ARPANET is the first network. After that, something fine. So in this our session, in the class session, the first topic you just start the knowing about Gmail. Okay, Gmail, because Gmail is application over the internet by which you just share your emails. Emails full form is electronic mail. Email full form is electronic mail. So Gmail is an application of which company? Google company. So firstly you just create your email ID. On which application? Gmail. So for creating your email ID, firstly you just collect some information like that. First, your name, second, date of birth, third, mobile number, fourth, passport. These four things you preliminarily decided and preliminarily kept. When you just have these things, then you just able to create your email account. For email ID creation, it is very easy. Firstly, you just do this procedure. After that, you are able to create your email account. First, open web browser. So web browser is what? Web browser is also a topic in this. Web browser is a web searching applications program. By which you just able to open the web pages, websites. Okay. So open web browser. Examples. Tell me like that. Google, Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox. It is okay. You will be able only one open for reading this. Second is this. Type in address bar. What type you type the email ID? Email address. Web address of the email account. URL, unique source locator. URL type. What is URL? www.gmail.com. You just open this. Okay, type this in the address bar, and after that click the enter button. This is the sign of enter button. You just click on the enter button, automatically the website is open, and on there you just go create an account. Create an account, after that myself account, and then fill your data, verify your number, and get your ID. And ID this type like that, COULUMBUS@gmail.com. This type of ID you just get. So in the email ID portion, you just see here what things in the email ID portion. This is username. It is given by you. Username given by you. This is username, and this is domain. Okay, domain is Gmail, and .com is domain type. Okay. So email ID is divided by @ symbol. This is @ symbol. So email ID is divided by @ symbol. So first of right side of @ is your email ID, username, and right side of your @ is domain types. So the first thing of revision of creating email accounts is clear, everyone. If you have the question arise, then you just ask me, and you do this thing by your phone, by your laptop, by your computer. I don't know, but after this completing, you may reply to me your name and your email ID. Okay, when you seen the all things this session, after that you create your email ID and send to me. Okay, so this session is finished. Thank you. Have a nice day.